Before sunrise, the massive jackfish harvest begins. A synchronized ballet of steel vessels. Inside the wheelhouse, the officers rely on advanced navigation systems, meticulously planning the sea route as the massive jackfish harvest begins. Aboard the stern, the crew works with practiced efficiency. Inspecting the heavy trawl. With the massive jackfish harvest safely stowed, the crew guides the vessel from the harbor into the open sea as the morning light strengthens. Deep offshore, the crew relies entirely on the sonar returns. With millions of fish at stake, precision is everything as they track the moving school. The net begins feeding into the dark waters, marking the start of the massive jackfish harvest. Under the stark glare of the floodlights, the team manages the massive net deployment, sending colorful marker buoys and taut lines into the midnight sea. This massive spread of netting infrastructure represents the cutting edge of industrial fishing, capable of harvesting thousands of tons of jackfish in a single pass. As the school turns in tight, coordinated motion, the massive net begins to curve around them, demonstrating the sheer scale of this harvest. Under the blinding floodlights, the massive winch drums spin, hauling in a staggering harvest. The net breaches the waves, revealing the staggering density of the catch. It is a raw, industrial spectacle under the glare of the floodlights. As the catch bag opens, the sheer volume of the harvest avalanches into the receiving hopper. It is a controlled chaos. Here we see the massive harvest of jackfish entering the rinse corridor. High-pressure sprays remove the initial layer. To handle the massive jackfish harvest efficiently, the crew immediately sorts the catch into iced holding bins, preventing bottlenecks further down the line. Crucial transition sees the raw volume precisely channeled into the butchery lane by the skilled crew. A stable rhythm ensures efficiency. Inside the processing bay, efficiency is paramount. The jackfish are gutted and cleaned, with waste immediately separated from the edible product. These are immediately separated as the bodies move toward filleting. The jackfish harvest operates 24 hours a day at sea. The crew here processes thousands of pounds, separating the clean fillets from the bone with practiced precision. Slurry ice is crucial for rapid chilling. As the jackfish enter the brine, the temperature drops instantly, locking in the freshness required for market. Deep in the hold, the newly caught fish are rushed into the blast freezer to lock in the freshness. Down in the frozen hold, the work is precise and unrelenting. Batches are meticulously mapped into coded zones, streamlining the unloading process and ensuring traceability. Embedded within the production chain, this onboard lab ensures quality. Core temperature and pH levels are meticulously checked in real time.
Between massive hulls, the sanitation crew works quickly to ensure industrial hygiene. Every surface must be spotless before the next catch arrives.
As dawn breaks, the industrial vessel begins its relentless cycle. A massive harvest of jackfish is hauled. As the trawler approaches the industrial shoreline, the scale of the operation becomes clear, a transition from offshore capture to cold logistics. This massive operation requires flawless execution. The crew and equipment are aligned, ready for the arrival of the jackfish harvest. The massive jackfish harvest requires precision and strength. Here in the frozen hold, the crew works tirelessly. The catch arrives at the intake doors, transforming the offshore product into factory inventory. A continuous flow of fork meats. As the camera glides through the tempering area, the massive jackfish reach their exact cut-ready temperature. Sensors and
The jackfish harvest is a symphony of synchronized movement, where every station works in rhythm to process the high volume.
Here on the processing line, efficiency is everything. Watch as the skilled workers transform these massive jackfish into...
This is the high-value refinement stage. Careful, practiced gestures ensure that every tiny defect and remaining bone is removed before the final grading. Tools. The highly efficient process transforms the catch into market-ready formats. Using precise cutting guides, here at the jackfish processing facility, precision is key. Every portion is weighed and coded, ensuring full traceability from sea to plate. Here at the packaging hall, the massive harvest of jackfish undergoes a rapid vacuum sealing process, preserving the catch with clinical precision. In this chilled environment, the freshly harvested jackfish are meticulously placed into retail packaging. The massive harvest of jackfish moves swiftly through the cold packing hall. Here, efficiency is paramount as the fish are weighed. To maintain quality, the harvest enters the blast tunnel. Here, precise freezing technology lowers the temperature in minutes. Forklifts glide through the frozen aisles, orchestrating the massive harvest, based on strict digital routes and warehouse rhythm. In the Quality Assurance Laboratory, every batch of the jackfish harvest undergoes rigorous testing, including temperature and pH. This state-of-the-art facility handles the entire harvest, utilizing automated wrapping and precise labeling to
Inside the bustling cold dock, the massive jackfish harvest is loaded onto the reefer trailers.
A look inside the massive jackfish harvest distribution center, where efficiency and cold chain logistics ensure the catch reaches markets around the globe. Here at the premium seafood counter, the massive jackfish harvest is carefully transformed into these pristine retail displays. Fresh off the boat, the massive jackfish harvest is quickly moved to the receiving area, where quality control begins. From the vast ocean harvest to the factory line, the journey of the jackfish culminates here, a quiet, ordinary moment at the supermarket checkout. Take shirt. The harvest begins. Once the massive nets are deployed, the vessel transforms into a floating factory. Once offshore capture is complete, the logistical backbone of the operation takes over, moving tons of jackfish from the harbor to the reefer trucks. The journey from the deep blue to the plate is a rapid one, ensuring this exquisite fish reaches the finest kitchens and seafood counters across the country. Here we see the massive scale of the operation, where the jackfish is processed into various forms. From fresh fillets, this meal represents the end of a long, cold process. We trace it backward, past the kitchen, through the massive infrastructure of the global seafood trade. It's an industrial ballet, moving the harvest swiftly from the rough ocean. Onboard processing and freezing ensures this modern trawler is a marvel of maritime engineering, a complete mobile seafood factory processing the catch from net to freezer in mere hours. As the camera glides through the refrigerated plant, we witness the precise transformation. From the tempering room to the this massive harvest compresses a full day's labor into a continuous rhythm: set, haul, sort, cut, and chill. A relentless display of industrial efficiency. Here at the jackfish facility, ensuring peak freshness. The massive jackfish harvest is a coordinated labor relay. From the captain and crew at sea, through processing, logistics, from the hydraulic winches to the blast freezer fans, this hidden engineering backbone quietly supports the massive harvest. Here at the giant trevally harvest, the catch is meticulously segmented. Every lane represents a commercial choice. Here we see the massive jackfish harvest arriving. Through advanced digital traceability, linking vessel logs and from the open ocean to the refrigerated plants and freezer warehouses, the journey of the jackfish is a marvel of modern logistics. This is the journey of the jackfish, in reverse. From this polished retail pack, we pull back through the industry. Every step in the journey, from the initial catch to the final vacuum seal, adds significant market value to the harvest. The moment the massive nets break the surface, the Atlantic jackfish embarks on a rapid journey through the processing line, ensuring freshness from catch to consumption. From a single fillet, the journey begins. A complex value ladder transforms the catch, adding labor and cold control at every stage. Massive jackfish harvest relies on an unbroken cold chain. From this freezer aisle, we trace the route back through the insulated logistics. From the premium shelf price to the distant open sea, the journey of the jackfish is a complex global chain built on hard labor and massive volume. The massive jackfish harvest. The data chain ensures traceability from the ocean to the buyer. The informational route is as structured as the physical one. The scale of the operation is immense. What begins as a single rack expands to reveal the industrial logic. From a single glistening strand, the net expands into a massive industrial architecture. This is the scale of the modern harvest, a precise and powerful operation. This single delivery represents a vast, intricate network. From the kitchen through the cold chain and processing facility, the journey of the jackfish begins far from this family table, deep in the domestic seafood system that bring this harvest to millions. From the initial sample inspection by our QA team, the massive harvest moves through a rigorous cold chain, ensuring it reaches the market fresh and safe. The room operates as a finely tuned seafood machine, driven entirely by trained human movement. This synchronized flow is the harbor machine, the critical link connecting sea-based production with the cold logistics network that supplies the interior. From the chef's precise plating to the vastness of the open ocean, this is the journey of the jackfish.
This massive jackfish harvest is a full human relay. A coordinated chain of skilled labor ensures the product moves from the crew at sea through processing and ultimately to the consumer's table.
The annual jackfish harvest is a spectacle of modern industry, moving mountains of silver from the deep ocean to dinner an integrated system on a massive scale, ensuring fresh jackfish reaches tables worldwide through a seamless, synchronized process. This is the sea-to-shelf story of the jackfish, a massive logistical undertaking connecting retail shelves to the high seas. The journey begins with a perfect vacuum seal, expanding to reveal the massive scale of the packaging system protecting this harvest. The massive jackfish harvest relies on a sophisticated refrigerated web. One cold tray. This is the inventory machine. The frozen storage logic are just one small part of this highly synchronized operation. The fish on this counter represents the end of a long, complex global supply chain, one that stretches all the way back to the open ocean. Maintaining precise timing and temperature is central to the massive jackfish harvest, ensuring quality across the entire industrial supply chain. Behind this ordinary fish dinner lies a vast and hidden domestic infrastructure, a complex commercial system built on the hard work of an offshore harvest. From initial analysis of the blackjack samples to quality assurance and logistics, we track every fish until it reaches the consumer shelves.
Since a single strand expands into the full geometry of the capture, this massive industrial structure designed for efficiency.
A diverse team of workers, accompanying tradition and technology, meticulously refine the harvest, ensuring every fillet is uniform and of the highest quality. From the moment the manifests are signed, a complex logistical dance begins, ensuring the massive harvest clears customs and reaches the global market. This carton represents the start of a massive global journey. It's one piece of a vast refrigerator. From a single label in the freezer aisle, we can trace the entire journey. The commercial structure that brings this seafood to market is vast and complex. As the camera pulls back, the scale of the operation becomes clear. A constant, frigid airflow is the invisible conveyor preserving this massive harvest. From this single crate, we witness the massive scale of the harvest, a seamless corridor connecting the rough marine environment to high-speed factory processing. From this single portion pack, the camera reveals the vast market architecture that brings jackfish to tables around the world. As the nets are hauled aboard, the sheer volume of the harvest becomes clear. It is a scene of organized chaos, where the journey of the jackfish is a marvel of modern logistics, a complex corridor stretching from these polished counters all the way back to the open sea.
Scintillate. From the precise cut of the chef's knife, we trace the journey of the jackfish. This culinary route reveals the massive
Madrins. A premium dish, yes, but behind it lies a vast global supply structure. This is the hidden journey of the jackfish. From the moment the nets are cast, the journey of the jackfish is meticulously tracked, ensuring efficiency at every stage until it reaches your table.
From the moment the massive jackfish are harvested, they enter a global cold chain. This ensures the catch remains fresh as it
Instantamix. This is the massive jackfish harvest. A complex network of deck crews, processing workers, and logistics ensures
The massive jackfish harvest requires a seamless logistics chain. From these freezer docks, the product moves through. What appears as a simple product on the shelf is the culmination of a vast industrial process, stretching from the factory floor all the way to the open ocean. From this intimate family dinner, we trace the journey of the jackfish back through the vast, complex network that brings the harvest from the sea. As the camera glides along the segmentation wall, the massive catch branches into several commercial pathways, revealing the diversified market structure. From the deep-sea harvest to the bustling dock, a massive haul of jackfish begins its journey. Every hand in the chain is a massive harvest begins at sea, moving through a complex industrial chain to bring fresh jackfish to markets and tables worldwide. A colossal undertaking, where every stage of the fish chain remains active at once, revealing a shocking,